Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about the method overriding. Method overriding. Okay, method overriding. So first let me create a class. I am doing a class create phone. Now I will create a constructor. You all know how to create a constructor. 2 times underscore init, again 2 times underscore, then self. Okay, now I will just print what I will print. I will print that I am in a I will print I am in phone class. Okay, I'm in phone class, right? Let me create another class. Let this class name be Samsung. Okay, Samsung. I want all the attributes of phone to be in Samsung, all properties, all methods to be in Samsung. So I inherited from this is Samsung is the parent class, Samsung is the child class. I'm extremely sorry, Samsung is the child class. So from phone is the parent class. I'm inheriting everything from parent to the child. Okay, now just let me write here pass. I'm just passing the value is equals to Samsung. Okay, is equals to Samsung. That's it. Let's see what's the output. See, I am in phone class because all phone attributes, method, properties has come in Samsung. So that's it. Now see it very carefully. Now you will understand what is the method overriding. Suppose in Samsung class also I need to call a constructor. So let me write here def in it self. Okay, now you will understand a trick. See it very carefully. You are going to understand a trick. Suppose I write here print I am in Samsung class. Okay, I am in Samsung class. I am in Samsung class, right? Now see the output. See, it is writing here I am in Samsung class. But you will say that phone is there. Why not it is writing I am in phone class and then I am in Samsung class? This is the method overriding. See, the phone's constructor is being overridden by the Samsung class constructor. This is called the overriding. Is this clear to you? This is the overriding. See, the method has been overridden. Okay, so I think you have got a clear understanding about the method overriding. Now you may say that I also need this also, I want to print this also. I am in phone class. For that you have to do is that you have to just write here super just here 2 times underscore in it. That's it. Why you have written in it? Because in it constructor, we are just we are constructor. Okay, now see, I am in phone class, I am in Samsung class, both are showing. So if you need to print this also, you have to write this super dot constructor init. That's it, super class. Okay, I've got a clear understanding. To print the parent class also you need to do this. Okay, I think you have got a clear understanding about the method overriding. So if you have any queries, just comment down. I will surely reply. By this, we end this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.